Welcome back. I'm Ross with Sky Management, and today we're going to be cleaning off the inside of an oven glass. This is a fairly common issue where somebody's dripped something down through these vents in the top and it's come onto the inside of the glass, so you can't clean it off from the outside. And it's not on the inside of the oven, it's in between. So in order to get to this, you have to remove the glass, clean off the inside, and then put it back. There are a couple different models. The way they do this one has the two screws in the top that will remove the handle and this top piece, this top plastic piece, and then the glass will come out. Some of them have a metal piece that runs down the side, and you may need to take off a couple of screws to remove that side piece. But if you can see the edge of the glass right here, then that shouldn't be necessary. So we have two screws that are holding our handle on, so we're going to go ahead and remove those screws. You need to take them out all the way, and be sure you have your hand down here underneath to catch the glass when it falls out. So we're going to take off one screw, and then I got to take off the screw on the other side. Now the front part of this is going to come out. Now really this is all the farther we need to go. We can go ahead and reach in here and clean this out. So I'm going to spray a little bit of glass cleaner in there. Should prep my paper towel ahead of time. And then we're going to clean out the inside of this. When you've got it all cleaned out and you're ready to put it back together, be sure to get these edge pieces on the inside of your door, like that, and then check my other side and get it in. So you got the edge pieces in, then you just got to keep it pinched at the top and put your screws back in. Now that we've got it all cleaned and put back together, it only took us a few minutes and our drips that are running down the inside are gone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.